Welcome to Brandafy review. In this video, I'm gonna let you know if you can get a high quality score here, a high quality dropshipping store here on Brandafy. I am not an affiliate for Brandafy. I am not even promoting Brandafy. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion review. But first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my #1 recommendation to make money from home. Okay, let's talk about Brandafy. So Brandafy is a legit website, company that help you to launch your own Shopify dropshipping store, guys. Okay, they want to create your own Shopify store. When I talk about the prices here, guys, okay, the prices here are too much expensive. Okay, be aware of that. So instead that we build e-commerce website that convert visitors into sale, Shopify dropshipping stores for sales with winning products, top suppliers, and much more. So we're gonna give you the top winning products. They're gonna give you the top. They're gonna give you the top suppliers and many more of those things, guys. Okay, with this website, we'll also look at some of the reviews about what actually people have been saying about this company. It is good, guys. It is legit. They actually deliver what you ordered, guys. Yeah. They will deliver, but the price is here. It is expensive, if you're drop shipping to buy this kind of stores, it is too high. It is too much expensive. It is another level. You can also use Zendrop, to find winning products, and you can also go to Upwork. Maybe you can also go to Fiverr to hire someone maybe for $10 to create a store for you, without paying thousands of dollars to launch your own store or to create your own website dropshipping store. For here, it is too much expensive. Just be aware of that. I'm trying to save you money here, guys. Okay. So how Brandafy can help you launch your online store? Are you struggling to design a dropshipping store, to find winning products, to choose a trusted dropshipping supplier? I mean, to be honest with you guys, you can use Zendrop. Zendrop, it allows you to find winning products. Zendrop, this is the supplier as well. I think it supplies less than 8 business days, which is good. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars for this, guys. You don't have to, guys. You don't have to. Or you can use Minia. Okay, just go to minia.com. Minia.com is going to help you to find winning products on TikTok, on winning products on TikTok that has been promoted on TikTok ads, on Facebook ads, all of those things. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars here, because they will build you, although they build you a high quality dropshipping store, but it is not worth the price. That is my concern about the Brandafy. That is my concern. I'm gonna show you the pricings here, guys. I'm gonna show you the pricing soon. Keep watching. As you can see that winning products and dropshipping suppliers. Look at these. These are some of the high quality products stores they will able to create. Let's look at the prices, guys. Okay. The minimum that you have to pay here, guys, is $17, which is you're not gonna get anything here. The store is not gonna look good. The minimum you have to pay to this custom Shopify store, you have to pay $600. You have to pay $2,000 for a Shopify store, full automation Shopify store. $2,000, guys. That is insane. You can go to Fiverr. You can pay someone for $100. You can pay someone for $100 or maybe $20 to do a Shopify store for you. But here it is insane, guys. The price it is so expensive. But it's your money. I'm not gonna tell you what you do with your money. It is your money, but I'm trying to save you money, guys, that you don't have to pay so much money here. Look, these are the niches that they work with: a general store, fashion, men's fashion, spirituality. Let's go to Shopify. Let's go to Transport. Let's go to Trustpilot and see what actually people are saying about this. Job well done. I cannot verify these reviews. That's my problem with this, because with Trustpilot you can buy these reviews. It's easy. You can buy these reviews. You can pay someone $5 to do this to make a positive review about your product that you're selling. So I cannot verify these reviews and say it is legit. It deliver. I cannot verify it at all, guys. So My concern is that although the product is legit, they do deliver up on what you have ordered. My concern is that the price, it is too expensive, guys. It is too much expensive, okay? But if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my number one recommendation to make money from home. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you. Good luck. Sharp.